What's good, y'all? It's your boy Lori Ass in the cut. Let's get it. Man, we got a very special video right here, man. We got your boy Caleb City, man. I rock with him hard, man. This guy is hilarious, man. Y'all go check him out. He do like funny skits and shit like that. And right here it says sneezing more than twice in a row. And that thumbnail was pretty fucking crazy, so I wanted to check this out with y'all. So let's get it, man. There you go.
Bless you. Thank you.
Okay, he got one sneeze. Bless you. Okay, another one. Bless you. He getting fed up. Hold on. Hold on. My boy fed up. He like, hold on, man. You ran out of bless yous. He like, you ain't getting no more.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey!
Oh,
What we
shit.
gotta do all this for now? It's just the rules, Henry.
My boy put out the strap. Hold on. But he was ready too, though. Hold on. What the what the fuck?
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Hey! What we gotta do all this for now? It's just the rules, Henry. You know the rules, and so do I. Come on, man. Just give up on that already. Never gonna give it up. Just let the gun down. Never gonna let it down. Let's just run along and forget this whole thing, huh? Never gonna run around or desert it. You're gonna make me cry, man.
He ain't trying to hear that. Black Hoodie is not trying to hear that shit. He said you sneeze more than twice.
Never gonna make you cry. Enough! Why should I even let you live? Just think about it, man. We ain't even gotta do all this.
He finna pop us.
Oh, this could have all been simple, Henry.
Oh shit. He threw a flash grenade at his ass.
One day, I'll catch you.
Have that ever happened to y'all? Bro. Have that ever happened to y'all? Let me know if y'all ever experienced that right there. Me personally, I have experienced this exact scenario. It was about 2 years ago. And that's crazy, man. Let me know what y'all think about that. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.